Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying topic Mendelian inheritance from the chapter Kingdom Plantae. Now what do you mean when I say Mendelian inheritance? When Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics, laid down various terms, he laid down based on certain inheritance and variation patterns. Let's study and find out about them. Gregor Mendel was an Austrian monk who did experiments on Pisum sativum in Georgia and laid down his various terms. The terms which we study today, that is dihybrid cross, monohybrid cross, codominance, dominance, the different allelic forms, whether it is dominant or recessive forms. The terms like homozygous plant stands for capital T, heterozygous plant stands for capital T, small t. All these terms were laid down back by Mendel or Gregor Mendel. Now, Mendel's inheritance patterns clearly stated that qualities or trait would be transferred, and he laid down two different terms for that. One was heredity and another was variation. When I talk about heredity, it clearly states that whatever your forefather or your parents have, when that characteristics are passed down to you, that is heredity. You all must be saying that this is passed to me by my father, then to me. Especially genetic diseases are hereditary in nature. One of them is genetic diabetes, or you can say blood pressure. That's a simple example of heredity. Next is variation. It's not necessary that every characteristic that's present in human beings will be always passed down by heredity. Otherwise, we will all have similar characteristics of our father and mother. There is something that is called as variation. Now, variations are nothing but miscrossing or mismatching that happens in gametes, or you can say in alleles, during the crossing over, especially during meiosis and mitosis. And this crossing over or mismatch leads to variation in organisms. That is the reason you and your brother or you and your sister may not look similar. You will have some characteristics that your father has and some characteristics that your mother has. Now, this differences in characteristics is due to the variation nature. Now, Mendelian inheritance laid or defined both these terms, and these two terms laid parameter for his research and even for its other discoveries. Mendelian inheritance. Now, Gregor Mendel, an Australian monk, did experiments on Pisum sativum and laid down the different phenomena of Mendelian inheritance with the help of its experiments on pea plant on Pisum sativum. Mendelian inheritance clearly deals with certain terms like heredity, which is defined as transmission of characteristics from one generation to another generation, and such transmissible characteristics are hereditary characteristics. For example, in certain family, the eye color or the curly hair, especially in South Indian family, is a hereditary characteristics which is always passed to every offspring or every progeny produced in that family, and it is in every generation that's passed. Whereas variation is the one that cut down heredity, especially in the terms of genetic disease. Variations are differences that are exhibited by the individuals of same species. Obviously, variation could only be seen in the mating of a man and an individual who is a human being. It cannot be seen in different species of plants or in cross species of plants. Now, variation causes recombination to occur. When I say recombination, it is nothing but crossing over of alleles on the homologous or sister chromatids, especially during meiosis and fertilization when a child or a progeny is formed. They also cause due to environmental or mutation changes. Mutation means a change in the ATGC complex. They form the basis of evolutionary studies or evolution or change. The way human progeny or plant progeny is changing, evolutionary studies or evolutionary change is due to variation. Students, I hope now you all are clear with Mendel's inheritance and what is Mendelian inheritance. Thank you.